Imagine starting your day with 5 minutes of tranquility, taking slow, deep breaths while pondering the day ahead, expressing gratitude, and reflecting on the people who enrich your life. Now, picture teaching your children the power of breath. Inhaling for 4 seconds, exhaling for 6, activating the calming side of their nervous system as they prepare for their day. Consider the influence of music. Choosing calming melodies for your commute can set the tone for the day and provide a soothing transition from work to home. Finally, devote a few moments after your workday to unwind. Lay to rest any unresolved issues and refocus on what truly matters: your family. Remember, anxiety can be tamed, and it begins with you, one breath at a time.